This is an AutoCAD Tool Catalog. It organizes your blocks and hatches. It's a settings file for the AutoCAD interface. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load the palette. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium ATC file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. An ATC file is an AutoCAD tool catalog, used by AutoCAD to store collections of tools, blocks, and commands. These catalogs allow users to organize and quickly access frequently used elements within the AutoCAD environment. ATC files streamline the design process by providing a centralized location for essential design resources. ATC files are structured to efficiently store and retrieve tool and block definitions. They typically contain metadata describing each tool or block, including its name, icon, and associated command. The format is optimized for integration with the AutoCAD interface, allowing users to easily browse and insert tools into their drawings. The developer of Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D, Autodesk Inc., created the original specifications for ATC. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can detect the file but not analyze it, so specialized tools must interpret the contents. Your first step to success: right-click the ATC file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If you still cannot open your ATC file, that is okay. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the ATC error. First, use AutoCAD. Open the file using Autodesk AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D, the required application for the tool catalog. Next, check Installation Path. Ensure the ATC file is placed in the correct support folder for AutoCAD. Finally, check XML. Open the ATC file in a text editor to view the XML structure for corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.